Hello dear Gemini, welcome back to my channel, and this is your 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you would like to know more about the personal readings, the rituals or the counseling sessions that I do, please stay tuned till the end. I will give you more information. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. We will be starting with your love life. You've got the 6 of stars and the chariot, which is the 7 number. It's a card of traveling. You could be traveling this week, or somebody is traveling to see you, or you are traveling to see your loved ones. That's also possible. Some of you are dealing with an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon rising, or you could have an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. I do see some sort of invitation, some sort of friendship offer, or relationship offer, or a marriage proposal can come your way. This can be a long distance offer from another city, state, country, and or this can be through somebody, through a friend or family member that you're hearing this news. But whatever this news is, it's going to make you very happy. I see that in some way your relationship or your love life will start moving forward. If you have been feeling very stuck that, oh my God, I have been single for so long, it's just not moving forward. Now you will see that there is some sort of forward movement in your life, probably when you get proposal. If no proposals were coming, proposals will start flowing in. If your boyfriend or girlfriend you were in a relationship with were not giving you commitment, they will give you commitment now. If you were not getting married, you possibly getting engaged or married now. Or if your relationship had some problems, or if you had a long distance, or your husband or wife used to travel a lot, you will notice that there is a lot of forward movement that's coming in that regard also, where you will start spending time with them or traveling with them, or in some way your relationship will get closer to each other. So this is going to be a very good week for your love life, no matter what your situation is, if you are in a single situationship, relationship, or marriage. Let's see how your career is looking. You've got the 8 of moons and the hermit. Wow, 6, 7, 8, 9. How interesting is that? I do see that you are fearing a particular outcome. It could be that yeah, you are doubting it. Like for example, you have applied for a university or job, and you are doubting whether you're going to get the offer or not. I also see that if you have started a business, you're worried if this is going to go well or not, or if you haven't taken a step yet, you're worried if this is going to be the right decision or not. I do see you isolating yourself away from friends and family because you're overthinking a lot about this future life change that you're planning to make, and you're still very confused about it. So if ever you have to make a decision, this week is the time where you have to follow your intuition. Follow whatever your intuition is saying. If it's saying that, okay, make that switch, then please make that switch. If it's saying, no, this is a very scary switch, or this business is not going to give you the return, or this job is not good for you, then please listen to your intuition. I do see that some sort of truth will be revealed to you. Like you are looking or seeking some sort of truth this week regarding your job, maybe what you want to do, maybe should you change or not, are you really happy in your current, with your current money or status or not. A lot of questions and answers will be going through in your mind, definitely. So this is a time of deep contemplation and coming to the right decision. So please make sure that if you are making a decision this week, you're not being hasty, you're taking your time, you're making it as slow as possible, and then I do see that some sort of truth will be revealed to you, which will change your decision in some way or impact your decision in some way. For example, if you were planning to go A road, this truth will change your decision, and then you will be deciding to go to B road. That kind of major change you can expect this week. And overall, if I see, yet it yes, it can be challenging, but it's very good for you, liberating for you, because this truth will help you make your decisions no matter how hard it is to digest. And love life looks great because next step is happening in your life. So I do see that some sort of next step is happening, some sort of progress is happening, whether you can see it or not. So overall week, personal life looks great. Professional life asks for caution. asks you to read the documents properly, read in between the lines, don't jump to conclusions, and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision in your professional life, right? Whether you have a job or business. So this was your weekly reading. If you guys resonated with it, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know which situation you are resonating with. I will be reading all your messages and replying to them as well. And yes, to claim the positive energies of your personal life, please do comment I claim this energy so that it manifests faster for you. And since this was a general reading, all your questions might not have been answered in this reading. You can book a personal reading with me and ask your own specific questions. Apart from that, I have two exclusive love readings. If you have a crush on somebody or you don't know if your partner is in love with you or not or what is the future of this connection, you can book a Mystic Red Rose love reading. If you are in no contact situation and you want to channel your partner's feelings and to find out whether this is over or not, you can do that by booking the Oracle love reading. I also have different rituals available. So if you want to remove blockages from your life, any area like health, like career, like love, then you can book a blockage removal ritual or a bay leaf ritual, which we usually perform on new moon or full moon, which is a manifestation ritual. Then I do have different packages available for you guys. So if you're single, what are your blockages? When is the partner coming? If you're in love, complicated situation, what are your blockages? What are your partner's blockages? And how to get rid of it? In your career, should you stay? Should you switch the job? What does your future look like? What are the blockages? What is blocking your growth? All these set of questions will be answered in the packages. And a free remedy worth rupees 251 will also be given in this package so that it helps you remove the blockages from that particular area of your life. And lastly, I take spiritual counseling sessions as well. So if you or any of your family or friend are going through a troubled period or they have a lot of burdens and secrets they cannot share because people will laugh at them, judge them, right? You can always come to me, no judgment here. I will be giving you all the answers, showing you the right direction, and with the help of your angels, I will be giving you a free remedy here as well. You can book audio video call sessions on Instagram, Zoom or Google Meet through my email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, which is mentioned in my bio and description box. Or you can directly DM me on Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram because you will know about all my service, including the prices on a daily basis over there. Here I'll only be meeting you weekly and might even skip some of the services that are there. On my stories or through my Instagram, you will know what new services have been launched, when is the channel closed, when is the new video coming up, or when am I going live. All these information to stay more updated, please follow me on Instagram as well. Subscribe on my YouTube channel and show some love here as well. Take care of yourself and I will be meeting you very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.